Hi, this is Dennis O'Donovan with ProfitComm. Today, we're chatting with Dan Petcher, solution engineer with Dialpad. How you doing today, Dan?
I'm doing great. How are you, Dennis?
Doing great, man. Well, I appreciate you being here with us. What I like to start these chat sessions off with is, who is Dialpad and why are you different?
Absolutely. So Dialpad is a term we've coined ourselves called TrueCast. So a true one provider of unified communications, contact center, omni-channel, video meetings themselves, trying to encompass all of that combination of technology and the way that we all communicate today into one single platform, utilizing the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence, transcription services, call recording, and then a very robust analytics system on the back, right? Being able to interpret that data, not only capture it, but then create actionable items out of it, understand trends and conversations, and then ultimately provide the best outcomes, not only for your customers, but also internally for your end users. So from a high level, or maybe as a long-winded answer, that's Dialpad in a nutshell.
Okay. You mentioned a very big buzzword, AI. AI is top of mind for everybody. How specifically is Dialpad, using AI?
Absolutely. So the majority of what you'll see with Dialpad, I would say like 99% of what it is our own artificial intelligence. It's built into everything that we do. So whether it's a video meeting, a voice conversation, whether it's a phone call, a contact center call, we have our own transcription service that's layered throughout every voice interaction, creating things like action items out of the conversation, analyzing sentiment of the conversation based on what's being said. We have several other versions of AI that are also proprietary. So our self-service chat, being able to find your own answers, because we have found that the majority of our customers would rather find their own answers, right? Over 2/3 of them find their own answers, self-service themselves to the conclusion that they like. But then if they need to, being able to escalate then to an agent, whether a voice chat, whether a instant message or some kind of web chat, we have all of that built into our platform natively. So being able to not only capture all of this information as the way that customers are wanting to contact us, but then also applying the artificial intelligence along the route so they can get the information that they need in a timely fashion.
Great. So you're meeting them where they want to be met, which is really kind of the whole customer engagement philosophy.
And I think that's super important, right? Because today's digital age, people can connect with you via Facebook Messenger, right? Being all these social media apps that everyone's utilizing, not just a voice call any longer, which we do support, but being able to have a texting campaign, right? WhatsApp, Instagram, and email campaigns, just funneling all of those conversations to a single screen for a call center agent would not only streamline the process for the end user, having a single screen from which to access all of these things, but being able to service those customers in the way that they want to be reached or want to reach out to you is extremely vital to that customer journey.
Okay, great. And so you've developed your own AI. What trends are you seeing? And obviously not all AI is the same, but
Right.
what trends are you seeing and how is Dialpad uniquely positioned to bring those to market?
Absolutely. No, it's a fantastic question. And I agree. AI is a buzzword. Everybody's using it. But everybody's is a little bit different. There's always a little bit of a different flavor of what everyone's trying to do. And Dialpad's been doing the real-time transcription for 5-6 years now. And we have over 4 billion minutes of business conversations that have been analyzed. When you look at other competitors of ours or other devices you might have, like on your cell phone or something, it's not necessarily conversations. Hey, can you find this? Or can you play this song? We have actual data from real conversations about business topics. So we can then interpret that to decide call outcomes. We can use third-party AI to then summarize that conversation in a more concise manner to capture the entire context of what was discussed, not just one or two things throughout the whole call. But again, like you said, not every AI is the same, and Dialpad's truly different in that the amount of data, but then also the type of data and conversation analytics that we have does differentiate us from a lot of those in the same marketplace.
That's really cool. Okay, well, Dan, I really appreciate you being here. If you want to find out more about Dialpad, please reach out to me at the email below. Send me a LinkedIn notice, and I'll gladly put them in touch with you. We'll get you a custom demo for you, and you can see exactly what Dialpad's AI can do for you. Dan, really appreciate you being here, man. Have a great day. Thanks for being here.
Of course, Dennis. Thank you very much.